Okay, here we are at the Shizuoka Hobby Square. I turn it like this. There, for figure fans, there's some very nice ones there. And offerings from the Plastic Model School. This is models by the Team Dead Stalkers Model Club. Some pretty cool stuff. Not sure what's going on with my video quality. I need a new phone. And for the Bandai Gundam fans, there we are. Nice little lady, pretty in pink. Hee hee. Another one. And Zinzan and you guys be interested in this stuff. Back up a bit. This is original. Radial engine. Here's the aircraft. This is an Yoshima model. And there's the aircraft it came from. Unfortunately, it's all in Japanese, and I'm not sure. Okay, here we're picking it up again. Okay, here we go, Star Wars fans. This is from a company called Woody Joe. Okay, no smart remarks, especially from you, Shellard. Okay, there we go. Beautiful wooden models. It's okay. These are Tamiya models from 1960. Beautiful box art. Some fantasy stuff. There's a Jaguar. Boats. And the Yamato. Here's the attack on the Death Star. Yes. Red leader goes in first. More from Woody Joe. Sorry about the reflection. There's some nice Hasegawa stuff. There's the battleship Yamato. And these have all been done by club members of one sort or another. There's the Kawamaru, Soya. Mikasa, Nagato, Yahagi. There's another one of Yahagi, Sakawa. Great stuff. Now, go around again. More Hasagawa. Fokker DR1. Oh, that looks like something you'd enjoy, Zinzan. Dragon Ball Z. All the Bandai spirits. Lots of dinosaurs. Dinosaurs never get old. Pardon the pun. And back to Tamiya. There's the 148 Supermarine Spitfire. That's a pretty awesome diorama. And we move into the autos. And the robots. And down to play toys. There's even models of cakes and fruit cakes and all sorts of stuff. And here we go. There's a nice little diorama. Oh, $96.80. The whole kit. That's about, well, it's 10,000 yen, which is only about $100 Canadian. And back to some more Hasagawa. These are 1960 to 1970. Okay, now we go shop.